morning, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another what I ate in a day video. Just drinking some black coffee. I just got back from a trip just a couple days ago. I feel like I say this in every what I ate in a day video. I'm always like, I just got back from a trip. Well, I've been traveling a lot, so makes sense. By the way, I am watching my friend's dog, Pepper. Pepper, come here. Hi, you wanna play? Give me a moment, okay? So you'll see Pepper throughout the video. Anyways, just got back a couple days ago, and today I wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm eating. I kind of also want to do like a bit of a meal prep as I cook. So I'll make like breakfast, and then I'll prep the breakfast and have more for the rest of the week. I just feel like after a trip, you know, you've been eating out like every single day. I'm like literally just craving healthy home-cooked meals, okay? So I'm gonna make some healthy home-cooked meals. That's part of the plan. There's Pepper. She likes to go on top of the couch like that. Pepper, you want me to throw it? Okay. Anyway, I'm just waiting on a grocery delivery in order to make my breakfast. But let me take you to the kitchen because I'm gonna have some other stuff. Before I eat breakfast, I'm actually gonna have my daily greens, which is by Compliment, who are very kindly sponsoring today's video. More on them later, but I'm gonna have some daily greens and their gut nurture. I love having this in the morning, and usually I have this before I drink coffee or anything, but I forgot this morning. I wanted my coffee, okay? So we're just gonna do some gut nurture. This is obviously great for your gut. And again, I guess after traveling, you're just kind of like, you just need some health in you, you know? I'm just gonna mix this in with water. And I just like mix those two in the same thing, because might as well just get it all done at once, right? Like I love traveling, but it definitely just takes it out on your body. And I just feel like I miss just getting back into healthy eating, home cooked food. So we're just mixing this with water. So if you guys wanna get 15% off of Compliment products, check out the link below and use my code CheapLazyVegan. I'll talk about it a little bit more later. First, let's have our greens. Get this day started right. The plan is to also drink lots of water throughout the day. Yesterday I drank, I think like 4 liters of water. I'm probably gonna drink 8 of these. I just feel like, you know, I need some hydration, okay? I need major hydration, long flights, vacationing. I never drink enough water when I'm traveling. So I'm gonna drink this water. I'm gonna drink my coffee, and then I'll see you at breakfast. All right, you guys, my grocery delivery was really late. It finally got here, and I actually filmed a vegan grocery haul, so I'll link that video down below. But this is kind of like what we got, okay? So I got a bunch of stuff to restock since I've been away for a while. I needed some fresh produce, some fresh goodies. If you guys want to see how much all this costs and what I got, check out the grocery haul. I'll link that down below. Yay! Here's a little preview. Before I get started cooking, I'm just gonna have a little bit of baby carrots and hummus because I am starving and the grocery took forever, so we're just gonna snack. Maybe some strawberries. Let's review the strawberry. That's pretty good. I can't say that about most strawberries in Canada, but I'm alive now.
A few moments later.
There has been a change of plans. I cut myself. I'm not gonna show you, but I cut my hand because I'm an idiot. And I was opening up this can of beans and like it was just being really, really stubborn. And then I just kind of jammed this part, I won't show you, but this part of my hand, like, and honestly, it doesn't hurt that much, but I've never seen my skin so deeply cut. So I'm gonna have to go to like the emergency or like the walk-in clinic right now. So my plans are shattered. I guess I'm not meal prepping today, but I need to eat something. So let me eat something. I'm so sad. I'm just gonna make a quick sandwich with vegan turkey. This was already in my fridge. The thing is I have to keep this like held. So weird. Ugh, guys, be careful when you're opening cans. God, I've just never seen a cut that deep. So I'm just gonna have an English muffin. All right, I just quickly air fried the English muffins. I'm just gonna add hummus. Throw some of the Eve's turkey in there. Call it a day. And then I gotta go to the emergency walk-in clinic. There you go. That's what I'm doing. Yay for me. So I went to the walk-in clinic. Thankfully, they were able to stitch it on the spot. So I got some stitches. My hand is numb right now. I'm amazed, okay? Let me just say, I am so thankful for modern medicine because it amazes me. Modern medicine amazes me in general, but like the ability to just stick a needle in here and then everything is numb. I can't even feel any sort of pain. That is incredible. Okay, how have we figured this out as a human species? It's amazing. I'm so thankful I was able to get this fixed and it happened very fast. Walk-in clinic, no issues. I didn't even have to go to the emergency room. Anyway, this is fixed. I'm so happy. And now, this does change my plans. Just a little bit, just a little bit. I was gonna meal prep and like get my life together and I'm now injured. So I think I'm just gonna still keep going, keep this video rolling, okay? This is a, you know, what I ate in a day video gone wrong edition. And I'm still gonna show you what I'm eating. It just won't be anything extravagant because I really have one good hand and one injured hand. So I'm probably gonna make lunch pretty soon though because I barely ate and I should eat, but I don't know what I'm gonna make. Let me look. All right, I'm just gonna make some fried rice with one hand. Wish me luck. Put some oil on here. Just gonna cook up some medium firm tofu. Just crumbling it up with one hand. Thankfully, I bought some mixed frozen veggies. So I'm just gonna chuck some in here. Ah, that's a lot. Oh well. Add some soy sauce. God, it's so weird not being able to cook with my hand. Have some leftover rice. Just chuck some in here. I'm also gonna add some dark soy sauce. Just a little garlic powder. Green onion, I'm gonna use my scissors. I've never been more thankful to have two working hands. Obviously not right now, but in general in life. This hand is fine, it just feels really numb. Anyway. And then final touch, I'm gonna turn the heat off and I'm gonna add some roasted sesame oil. And that's it. Smells good. Oh my God, my hand feels so weird. Time to eat. I'm probably gonna add some sriracha on it and eat it. Yay, I can barely thumbs up. I also got this roasted seaweed at the store. Here, just gonna eat this with the roasted seaweed. Like, woo, like this. Like this. Today I'm extra thankful for Canadian healthcare. I did not pay a dime and working hands. All right, friends, that was delicious. Now that we've had lunch, I'm gonna take my vitamins. And I'm taking, of course, my Complement Essential. As I mentioned earlier, Complement is sponsoring today's video. So first, let's take the vitamins. So, I can't believe what this video has turned into, but anyway, Complement Essential is what I just took. It is my favorite vegan multivitamin because it is made for and by plant-based eaters or for anyone that's following a heavily or highly plant-based diet. It really covers kind of the essential nutrients that may be hard to find just from diet alone if you are following a plant-based diet. So it has these key nutrients over here. Very important. It just kind of like fills your gaps. I love it. It's super simple. I don't have to worry. I can just take this and I'm good to go. And what I love about Complement is that it is a plant-based company. So they really just understand the plant-based lifestyle, the plant-based diet, and they have a lot of other products as well. They also have the daily greens that I had this morning. They also have the gut nurture. They've also got vegan protein powders and other awesome products on their website. And if you guys want 15% off your order, you can use my code CheapLazyVegan. The links are below for all of the different items, and I highly recommend this if you are looking for the perfect multivitamin to support your plant-based lifestyle. So thank you so much to Complement for sponsoring today's video. All right, I'm just drinking more water. The plans have derailed. I'm still a bit numb. It still feels weird to like do anything with this hand. Guys, I don't think I've ever had stitches in my life. This might be the first time I've gotten stitches. I don't remember ever getting stitches. I'm a clumsy gal, okay? I bonk my head. I always bump into random things. I have bruises all over my legs because I'm always bumping into stuff. And I cut like little cuts like on my fingers and stuff and like on my arms. Like I'm just like, I don't know. I got like tiny injuries all over the place, but this might be the deepest cut I've ever had. It was gross. Okay, I could see things that I didn't want to see. Okay, not good. So this video has turned into basically like me trying to feed myself with an injured hand. So I think for dinner, I'm gonna make a 1-pot pasta and just throw stuff into the pot and just let it do, you know, the work. Hopefully it'll work out. But yeah, here we go. This is a realistic day in my life. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. When life gives you one injured hand, you make 1-pot pasta. So we're gonna make 1-pot creamy vegan pasta. It's been a long time since I've made 1-pot pasta, so I'm pretty excited about it. Okay, I can't remember the last time I made a 1-pot pasta. I love me a good pasta, so we're gonna make a really simple, creamy 1-pot pasta. So I have some non-dairy milk here, unsweetened. Let's just measure that out. You know when like you have a certain plan and then that plan just kind of goes into the dump, you're kind of like, what do I do? But hopefully this video will be salvaged, okay? Non-dairy milk. You know what, this is really simple. Let's just go straight to the stove. There's not gonna be any chopping involved. My hand is still a bit numb, okay? It still feels a bit funky. Like my fingers feel very numb. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Here we are. Here we are. Hello, welcome. So I'm just using a big wok because that's what I have. We're gonna add a little bit of vegan butter. You can also just use oil. I will have the recipe for this on my blog, so you can check that out. You know what, let's do more. We're having a hard day. Okay. And then we're gonna add in some minced garlic. Now, because of my garlic hack, I already have minced garlic, so I don't have to mince garlic. If you guys wanna know my garlic hack, I'll link that video down below. We're gonna cook up the garlic. Just make sure you don't burn it. I am notorious for burning garlic. So do as I say, not as I do, okay? So we're just gonna cook it up just for like a minute, probably not even, just until it's like slightly browned, fragrant. You know the drill. Now we can add in some non-dairy milk. Just stir that in. I'm gonna just turn the heat up to a high now. Now you can add in some vegetable broth. Now I'm gonna add in water because I like to use veggie bouillon cubes. So I'm doing water plus one of these vegetable bouillon cubes, okay? Or you can just use vegetable broth instead of water and the veggie bouillon cube. This is basically just me making vegetable broth. Oh my God, my hand feels funny. Okay, so just crumble up the veggie bouillon cube. Next, we're gonna add in some nutritional yeast, of course, also known as vegan crack. That's what I like to call it anyway. Just gonna give this a little stir, okay? Just splash it everywhere as I always do. I'm just always gonna be a klutz. I feel like it's in my DNA. Now we can add in the pasta. Let's see if it'll... So basically you wanna submerge it in the broth. Now it might take a bit of time for it to soften first, maybe like a couple minutes before you can like fully submerge it all into the broth, and that's okay. Just give it a moment, because if I break the pasta, I will be banned from Italy. So I don't want to be banned from Italy, so I'm not going to break the pasta. I'm just going to let it soften in here, okay? Just kind of let it, you know, let it soften, and then we're just going to submerge it. All right, now that this is coming to a boil, as you can see, it's already submerged. I'm gonna turn the heat down to like a low, slightly medium low, because my stove is quite weak. We're gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna watch it. Okay, I'm gonna not watch it. Okay, I'm gonna come back to it maybe every like few minutes, maybe every like 2-3 minutes or so, just to make sure that the pasta isn't like sticking together. Just wanna give it a good stir every few minutes, just to make sure it's cooking nicely, okay? And we're just gonna simmer it for like maybe about 20 minutes. We'll see if it takes 20 minutes. It might not, but yeah, we're just gonna let this cook. Yay! All right, you guys, here's the finished product. I did give this a little bit of a taste. I decided to add a little bit of garlic powder at the end and some black pepper. I didn't need to add any salt, but if you need salt, definitely add some at the end here. And let's plate it and give it a real try. It looks delicious, doesn't it? Simple. Here is vegan 1-pot creamy kind of Alfredo-y pasta. Oh my God, my hand feels so weird. Okay, hold on. Ooh. One pot, vegan, Alfredo. Mmm. That is delicious, okay? The thing with one pot pasta, because that starch is just being cooked with the, you know, other ingredients, I feel like it makes it extra like kind of sticky, extra chewy, and it just kind of adds like a different element of delicious chewiness to the pasta. It's really, really nice and savory. I can definitely taste that vegetable bouillon pretty strongly. So if you don't like that, you could add less of the bouillon and then maybe just like add in more seasonings. But I like the taste of vegetable bouillon, so I really like this. Okay. I wasn't even that hungry, and this is delicious. So normally I'd add in like some chickpeas or some sort of a protein. I might eat some edamame beans later if I feel hungry or something on the side, because I like to always have like protein and also like some veg with my meals. But I'm not super hungry. I think I'm still a little bit sick. Like my throat is definitely like, I don't know, there's something going on, okay? And I don't know if it's because I lost blood or because I'm like a bit jet lagged. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling a bit tired, not as hungry as normal. So I didn't really make anything extra, but this is delish, okay? This is definitely a keeper of a recipe because it's really easy. Super simple and easy. Just let it cook. You just need a few simple ingredients. Yeah, I'm gonna link the recipe below. It'll be on my blog, okay? Let's just have another bite. Yummy. All right, you guys. So even though this video just kind of went off the rails, I hope you enjoyed it anyways. It just turned into a sort of random what I ate in a day, very realistic day in my life edition. Of course, me hurting myself as I do often, so very realistic. Anyway, I'm gonna link the recipe for the dinner below, so make sure you check that out. The other stuff do not require recipes. So anyway, that's a realistic day of eating for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I'm gonna link my what I ate in a day videos playlist down below, along with my meal prep playlist, because I know I said I was gonna like do a meal prep and it was gonna be a whole thing. I know I said that, so if you guys actually do want meal prep videos, I have tons, so I'm gonna link those videos below as well. And then I think I'm just gonna, you know, chill for the rest of the evening. I'm gonna have some teas. I'm gonna drink a lot of teas. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Pepper. Anyway, going through an injury at the moment, okay. Anyway, guys, once again, thank you so much to Compliment for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check out Compliment Essential along with all of their other awesome products. Make sure you use my code CheapLazyVegan to get 15% off your order. The links are below to check out Compliment. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I'm not sure if I said it already, but I'll say it again. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.